Good girl. There it is, our first win. Did that bring good feelings? Would you like another bite? Have another. Okay, well, chew on that for a little while. Good baby. Good baby. Good baby bird. Are you a sweet baby? You getting full? Aw, you're so sweet, checking me out. I'm safe. I'm safe. It's okay. Come on. Okay. We'll back up. We'll give you some space. Yeah, getting hungry again. Wanted to give a quick update on this. This is day 2. And we got this sweet baby here. She's not been eating much. I put an organic seed mix here that I made that I saw a YouTube video. If you want to check out her channel, it's called Bird Tricks. But baby Budgie here is used to the store-bought seed mix here. Doesn't seem to recognize what mill it is. So, just to get her to eat something. Yeah, good baby. Good baby Budgie. Good girl. Or good boy. Not sure yet. You're still just a baby. Sweet baby. Good bird. Good Budgie bird. Are you a Budgie bird? Good Budgie bird. All right, so that is a positive interaction. We're going to back up and let that sink in. Yeah, good bird. So, I think we've made some okay progress. Let's see if we can get you to have some of this. The more you eat, the closer you're gonna get. Sweet baby bird. Good baby bird. You already ate those. You gotta move in. You gotta move in. Do you want more? Here. You really, really like these oats. Just wanted to update here. This sweet baby here has been eating, and in the last clip we were taking seeds and hand feeding like this. He's being very receptive to that. He's pretty hungry right now. It's about 6:30 on day 2, so I thought to go ahead and just feed it straight out of the bowl. But the good news is that we're eating this organic seed mix now, and she or he is receiving it very well. There you go. There she is. Good baby. Good baby bird. I think she's maybe just a little bit camera shy, but I got her to, what I did was I was over here and I slowly moved further and further away until she was just kind of forced to put her foot on my finger. And now she just kind of stepped up. So she's got one foot on my finger and one foot on the cup here. She's being very brave. I don't want to scare her and have this end on a negative encounter. So we're going to stay close to this other perch here where she was. So she can at any time retreat, and it's just fine. But she's pretty hungry. She has not eaten much today. But I am glad to see her on this organic seed mix now, and we are gonna fully retire this store-bought garbage. I don't know if you can hear that, but we just got done with dinner, and this sweet girl is just grinding her beak, just as content as can be. I had her on my finger. It's day 2. It's pretty incredible progress. So good job, baby bird. Good girl.